Hey guys, Sandy here, and I wanted to do my how to kill a kit with style leftovers and layouts. Now guys, this kit is still huge. I did not use as much of it as I wanted to. I have all kinds of it left. Now I did do a lot of scrapbooking in the month of June. However, I didn't do a lot of scrapbooking with this kit. So this stuff is going to be broken down, put back into my stash, and we're going to start fresh for July. So here is the layouts, or here are, English is escaping me right now. Here are the layouts that I have completed with that kit. So this is a long title, and the sun does not have to shine for me to be happy and smile seriously. So this was a photo that I had stopped on the way home from work and created and took the picture of it, and I just wanted to create it. So we have one. Then this one is Hey Create. This was my first cut file that I had ever used, and I backed it with sequins. So I thought it would be cool if I did the same thing here. So this is actually a die cut that was in the kit, and all I did was trace it so I had a solid background, and then I filled it with sequins and did that. Here is another layout. It was signifying my 800 subscribers back in the day, which was May 7th, 2018. I used some of this Brutus Monroe glitter glaze and sunflower and just created this little layout here. I have a thing with milestone numbers, so I have a lot of layouts with anytime I just happen to see a milestone number, I've screenshotted it, and I've got a lot of layouts with it. Milestone numbers are kind of my thing, so that's the third layout. This is today at Junkie Fest. So this was the Stamp Junkies Junkie Fest in 2018. I did not make it to this year's, but next year for sure. So this, I kind of went a little bit of different direction color-wise. Just a little teeny pop of the yellow here, but I really kept it to like the teals here. So what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then my fifth and final layout that I use with the kit is Yes, Okay, Pie. So we did a charity thing at work where we raised money. And then we were able to buy raffle tickets to pie people, and I was able to pie someone. So I just documented that. So that is my fifth and final layout for June. Like I said, the stuff is going back into my stash. And then stay tuned for my July kit. It is Christmas in July, guys. So I will see you real soon. Okay, guys. So because I already had the sticker book, and I got all of these brand new stickers just outside of the sticker book in my Love from Lizzie kit, what I'm going to do is, if you leave a comment below and you'd like to have these stickers, go ahead and leave that comment below. I'll use a random number generator and pick it, and I will pick it on this Friday. Today is July 1st, so oh my goodness, this Friday I'll do it. Just leave your comment.